You have equity in your home. A cash out refinance is the option most people think of first. At First Link Mortgage, here is how a cash out refinance works. This loan replaces your existing first mortgage with a new, larger loan. The difference comes to you as cash. Programs available include bank statement, full doc, and DSCR. Maximum loan to value is generally up to 80% on bank statement programs. Terms depend on credit, equity, occupancy, property type, and program. For some borrowers, this is the right move. For others, a second lien or equity line is worth looking at first because replacing a low-rate first mortgage is not always the lowest cost path to cash. This product works best for borrowers who want the largest possible access to equity in a single transaction. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Michael Hankerson by phone or text at 602 770 7205. Thanks and have a great day.